In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download demo games on Steam. Demos are a great way to try a game for free before you commit, and the process takes just a minute. Start by launching the Steam client on your computer. You can open it from the desktop icon on Windows or from your Applications folder on macOS, assuming you've already installed it from the official website. When Steam opens, log into your account so you land on the home page. This is your central hub, with quick access to your library, the store, and any available updates. Next, head into the store. Look toward the top of the window and click Store to switch into the Steam Store interface. From here, navigate to the Game Discovery menus. Hover over the Games category, or open the Special Sections area, and choose Demos. This takes you to a dedicated section featuring free demo versions across genres, publishers, and release dates. Browse the list until something catches your eye. You can click a game's title to open its detailed store page. Take a moment here to scan the description, check the minimum system requirements, and look through screenshots or trailers. User reviews and tags can also give you a quick sense of whether the gameplay style matches what you're after. If you want to narrow things down, use the filters on the page to sort by genre, features like controller support, or by popularity and release date to find exactly what interests you. When you're ready, find the Install Demo or Download Demo button on the page. It's usually a prominent green button near the top. Click it, and Steam will handle the rest. The download will begin automatically, and you'll see progress in the client. Steam sets up the demo in your library as it downloads, and when it finishes, the play button will appear so you can jump in right away. There's no payment required for demos, so you won't be asked for billing information. A few quick tips as it installs. Make sure you have enough storage space, since demo sizes vary. If your connection is limited, you can let Steam download in the background while you do other tasks, and you can pause and resume from the client if needed. If you change your mind later, uninstalling a demo is just as simple from your library. Keep in mind that demos often include a limited slice of content, and in some cases your progress may carry over to the full game, depending on the title. That's it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring new titles.